My childhood, it was a bit interesting. So let us tell our
Yes.
audience who we are and what is your purpose.
Okay. So, hello, folks.
Hey, hi,
This is Akshat, also known as AK.
and this is Aditya, so-called AD.
We welcome you to the first episode or the so called introduction of the one and only the AKAD show.
Oh man, excited.
Okay. तो आदि भाई, why are we doing this? अपने ऑडियंस को थोड़ा कॉन्टेक्स्ट देते हैं कि हम लोग ये क्यों कर रहे हैं.
हम लोग we always wanted to be content creator. Remember
Yes.
the 1% or the 5% of them.
ये स्टोरी है कि ओके ये एक्सप्लेन कर देते हैं.
Yeah, you.
So there was this time when our मतलब हम लोग अलाक सर फिजिक्स वाला अलाक सर को मानते हैं. तो उन्होंने कहा था कि आउट ऑफ द 100% ऑफ द पॉपुलेशन विच एग्जिस्ट 95% पॉपुलेशन होती है कंटेंट कंज्यूमर्स एंड 5% is the people 5% is the population who produces content.
सही.
And 1%
Not
in
all.
that 5% is the one who produces very good type of content,
Valuable content.
valuable content. So this is that we meant ki we want to come into that 1% of that
Yeah, that
population
1%
or
of
that.
population of content creators.
Yes.
And
Adiba, please continue.
yeah, so we always had that fire in our stomachs to do something new. So we always tried to find something good content. So but we couldn't. So now we found it, and so do we are here with content. And yeah,
Yes.
welcome you all on this our show.
Okay. So the reason I am doing this is because, as I already said, I want to become a content creator and not just a content consumer. Okay. So the idea behind this of producing content basically came from 4 people who I truly look up to. One of them would be Aman Bhaiya, Aman Datarwal. Next, I mentioned already physics for Alak sir. Third would be Cred and Freecharge ke CEO Kunal Shah. And fourth would be Ranveer Alabadia or Ranveer Bhaiya. So these are the guys who जिन्होंने बताया कि you should always look, or if you can, then you should always come to that side of the.
You should always share knowledge. Like
Yes, you should always look
share
into that
knowledge
side of
and
things also.
you gain knowledge.
Yes, matlab if you can, then why shouldn't you?
Yeah.
So
True.
yes,
I don't
here we are, two guys,
Right.
two almost over
Partners,
teenagers,
Yeah.
partners maybe, or whatever, trying to talk and produce some content.
Trying to do some good content creation.
Yes.
So let us tell our
Yes.
audience who we are and
So, how would you describe your childhood, AD?
my childhood. It was a bit interesting because I have lived my life at its best. And मैं हमेशा like जो भी करता हूँ उसमें 100% देता भी हूँ और and I enjoy what I do. And जो भी सपने
Yes.
देखे अब तक मैंने किए हैं and आगे भी जो भी देखूंगा I'll surely do it. So that's the spirit I have, and even I played cricket for so long, like 10 years almost I played, and
Almost.
I couldn't reach best level, but I have learned so much in this 10 years, irrespective of level I have reached. So it's always important to learn from your life, your journey of your life, how you suffer or
अभी तक की जो जर्नी है.
जो भी challenges आते हैं उनको देख के सीखने में ही भलाई है, I feel. And I think everyone should do this. So okay, let me ask you one.
पूछ भाई.
तुम्हारा इंस्पिरेशन कौन है? मतलब तुम्हारे सफर में in your journey, who was your inspiration for all time for do anything?
You know this already. I have already told you this. Yes. Okay. So my inspiration or the person that I truly look up to is Steve Jobs, and that is solely because of the fact कि how much he did with how much of knowledge he had, you know, like
Yeah.
considering what he did, leaving a legacy behind, such as an Apple, which is almost in the, you know, $1 trillion companies now, which is the world's first $1 trillion company, almost in that margin.
And it's
I think it's truly,
yeah, it is the largest, and I mean it has most valuable company. I think it's the right, most valuable company it is in the present day. $2 trillion is not joke.
It's a commendable job. Matlab, because I've read his book, so I know कि he saw future as if nobody else saw. Matlab, his partner Steve Wozniak, he bought him into this business because he knew both of them could create it. Both of them, matlab, he had no sense of hardware. He was obviously, because he had a backstory with his father where he would be in, you know, he would be, you know, learning all sorts of, you know, cheeses seekhte raha, but he had no what do you call technical what do you say, like practical hands into this thing. Matlab, you know, wo banana, what do you call that, motherboards and circuits banana. That is where he bought this, his friend of his, Steve Wozniak, in the, you know, car. And they decided to start it, and it got started from a garage, and you know where it led. Matlab, it is a journey. It's truly commendable.
They have their own spaceship now. Spaceship itself sounds so crazy.
From a car to a spaceship, just this distance. It's
it's really inspiring, his life story, and I truly admire him.
Truly.
And
yes,
positive inspiration for many. सच में बहुत genius बंदा था.
Okay, let's move forward. Can't just go back to the books again. Yes. So, Adi bhai, what is the purpose of your existence? पहले तू बता, then I'll tell mine.
Yeah, fine, sure. So, purpose of my existence. Okay, this is a bit tough, but yeah. So, my purpose is to keep everyone happy, to look with whomever I be, they should be happy. And maybe whatever I do in that, everyone should feel proud and be happy in whatever I do. And that's what it is. Because the purpose of your living is to be happy and enjoy your life. But unless you do something to make people proud and make them happy, nothing will work. Yeah. What is your purpose?
Okay. So there's this one statement that I remember back in probably from 5th or 4th standard or 6th standard, which said that India is a developing country. Okay. I know teko maine bataya ye baat, but I'll tell you again. Ki that statement, the same statement was read by me again in 10th standard. 5-6 years almost. And I read the same thing again. India is a developing country. It is still developing.
And I believe next 5 to 6 years also you will read the same thing.
Just because of reading it itne baar, it really strikes me कि भाई India developed country क्यों नहीं बोला जाता है? Why is it called the developing country, not the developed country? What is this phase? Why is this transition taking long? मतलब we have been our entire what do you call? We were once one of the most prosperous and wealthy nations of in this entire globe.
Yeah.
But we got ripped and crippled from जितने भी हमारे treasures थे, जितने भी हमारा सब कुछ था, by many people, invaders, and people came and they just took India away and they left India in such a अजीब type of state that अभी तक we feel कि चीजें हो रही है. And yes, things are getting better, obviously, no doubt, things are getting better. But this statement that it is a developed country is what I think I want to do in life. I would just want to change this statement and be like, no, it is a developed country now.
Yeah, even I believe that's my purpose, one of my purpose, because place where you're staying, India is like home. So you gotta respect your home and treat your home well, developed. Even I think many times, why don't they call it developed? Because there are not many countries which are called developed. Maybe there are a few like 5 to 10 countries which are developed, but with the respective of others, look, it's just us comparing with ourselves. So it really doesn't make sense telling one country developed or other country developing or something.
भाई बट एक तरह से देखा जाए तो कंपटीशन तो खुद से ही होता है.
That's true.
In that
And
sense,
that's what. And
in
that,
that sense, India is developing. Yes,
Yeah, that's
India
true.
is developing.
And
But
every country is developing. Every country is developing. And
Yes.
one more example, I have read somewhere in some interview, or someone was telling about this. Apple, and there's no competition between Apple and other companies. Like Apple does not compete with other companies, but other companies compete with Apple. Apple always try to compete with itself, and it
itself, yes.
upgrades itself, and that's the only reason it's the most valuable company today. Yeah, let us not do Apple
It's-
much. Oh yeah, let's
Yes,
go on.
bye, please. Let's not go there again. We cannot let this get diverted to Apple now. Anyways, okay.
Okay, so
Huh.
where do you see yourself in next 4 years, or maybe after your
College graduation, maybe.
graduation, post-graduation, whatever?
So I would really want to attain financial freedom.
Right,
सुनने में बहुत अजीब लगता है कि
अजीब लगता है, but it's something inspiring to other colleagues or your other friends. It looks inspiring.
This thought, or again, this thought comes from Aman Bhaiya, Aman Dhattarwal, and he says कि कुछ लोगों ने उनको बोला था कि जब तक वो 40 साल के नहीं होंगे तब तक he won't be able to come to this financial freedom, but at the age of 22 23 he did it. So it's not something which is impossible.
Yeah,
he proved it. It's not something which is impossible.
True.
So that means अगर कोई कर सकता है तो at least we can give a try. और एक बार financial freedom आ गए तो at least the parents, I mean my own parents, will be like ठीक है, okay, I can do things other than that. हो गया, मतलब एक चीज secured है, अब आगे बढ़ सकते हैं. After all, vision पे काम करना जरूरी है, right? Vision is developed or developing, उस statement को change करना है.
Yeah, true. I totally agree with that. And even I want to gain financial freedom because I don't want to be dependent on parents for long.
Yes, बिल्कुल नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं.
Yeah, and maybe not just by doing job or something part time, but doing something creative and differently, which we can do and which we are capable of doing. By doing that, we can attain our own financial freedom. Look, if we do that, even our parents will be proud of that. But then if whatever.
Anyways, आगे बढ़ने से पहले मेरा इंस्पिरेशन स्टीव जॉब्स. Who is yours? एक बार सबको बता दे.
Okay, I have many inspirations. Like I take
दो लोग, एक या दो, ज़्यादा नहीं.
I have taken inspiration from many people. Let us go to celebrity or who are famous. Okay, so in them, Elon Musk is one of them because I've never seen such a genius mind. Like people are capable of doing, but they don't do. Whereas, like, look at Elon Musk himself. He himself says there are many intelligent people than me, but I'm here and they're nowhere. And his journey is also pretty exciting, Very exciting journey. Last 4 years ago, he was nowhere in top 10 of billionaires, richest person.
Yes. हम लोग का डिस्कशन भी चल रहा था इस पे.
आज दूसरे पोजीशन पे है दुनिया के
बिलियनर्स लिस्ट पे.
इट इज वेरी इंस्पायरिंग. और वो बंदा जो अपने कॉलेज के दिनों में घर लेने के बजाय ऑफिस खरीद के उधर ही सोता है, उधर ही रहता है, देन ऑफ कोर्स इज हार्ड वर्किंग. एंड one more statement of his which I admire most because is he told once कि do your job in such a way, do such job where you can find no peace. Like अभी मुझे इंटरेस्ट है किसी काम में, और तू वो ही करेगा तो तुझे नींद में भी वो उस काम के बारे में ही ख्याल आएंगे कि हाउ डू यू डेवलप दैट दिस दैट.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, हमारे साथ ये हुआ है YouTube वो करने पे.
Yeah,
एकदम. यस.
it's always that only inspired me to start YouTube or whatever we are going to do maybe. So he's so one of my inspirations. वैसे तो बहुत है but I think it's fine.
दूसरा second.
Okay, I have been from sports background, so I would dedicate it to maybe Rahul Dravid or Sachin Tendulkar because they know how to respect the game. They know how to respect people. They know how to do hard work, where to keep their hard work. And they are the most versatile players. Rahul Dravid, उन दोनों में भी बहुत डिफरेंस था. Rahul Dravid, Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar was very talented player, but Rahul Dravid wasn't talented or skilled player. He did hard work. Where when Sachin was playing international matches against Pakistan, Rahul Dravid was in his school, maybe in school studying. I mean, not studying, playing with the local teams. But whereas he was in international, his hard work brought him where. And people compared with Sachin, and that's too inspiring. And it's not that his best player or something. He's obviously one of the best, but the way he plays, the way people admire him, no haters. These people don't have haters. So that's what inspires me. Like, ऐसा काम करो कि कोई दुश्मनी ना हो. So that's inspiring.
मतलब हार्ड वर्क में तेरा पूरा भरोसा है.
Hard work
में तेरा पूरा भरोसा है.
Respect also maybe because when you respect things, they respect you back. So मुझे respect में थोड़ा
एकदम.
Yeah, I feel respect is one of the important thing in life lessons. Yeah. Let us not stress this by talking this only. So
आगे बढ़ते हैं. Okay. तो how are we gonna run this? मतलब हम लोग दो कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर वी गोना रन दिस?
ये मुद्दा सही है. So basically in our show, the AKAD show, we are going to talk about AKAD, AK and AD show. So there we are going to talk about various topics. Many topics.
Candid and raw.
Yeah, very candid and raw. As it is, we'll be uploading it without editing it. So, and one more thing, we are going to make a list of many topics, maybe 30, 40, whatever it is, how many topics it is, and we are going to choose one topic, maybe in a bowl. We'll keep all the topics and choose one topic per day and present you. We'll talk about that very raw. So this is something to help you to know about our perception or others' perception.
Our perspective.
Yeah, our perspective and others'
हम लोग का क्या वो है?
It will surely help you know others'
I think yes.
perspective also, because and it is important knowing others' perspective, because you see people judge easily instead of thinking about the topic. So I think perspective plays a lot bigger role. So that's what we are going to do, share our perspective, and it will surely be very interesting for you all guys. So yeah, you have something to say about this, Akshat?
कुछ नहीं भाई, तूने सब बोल ही दिया है. I think this is all. I think it just sums up everything.
Okay,
that we just want to get our what do you call हमारी सोच को हम लोग आगे लाना चाहते हैं basically content creation के लिए. Yes, I think that's it.
Disclaimer दे देंगे कि ये हम जो भी बात करेंगे या whatever topic we talk or have a debate or
it is
it is just for sharing our perspective. There's no controversial, and please don't get controversial.
And we are not going to offend or discriminate करने का हमारा कोई intentions नहीं है. We are just doing it as if we are conversing.
We are sharing our perspective, and you can take it as entertainment and knowledge both way. But don't take it as content.
हमारा offend करने का कोई करने का यहाँ पे किसी को कोई मकसद नहीं है.
कोई इरादा
और इनके अगर हम करते भी हैं तो we are very sorry, but we are not. Yes.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So that's it for the day.
Yes, I think that's it. ठीक है, Adi bhai, let's end this now.
Yeah.
AK&AD signing off. Thank you guys for watching, and we believe we're going to see you again. So, bye guys.
Bye. See ya. Bye.